Hello everyone. I am Jahangir Alam from Jahangir Study Hub. In this video, I will discuss about Excel drop-down list. Benefit of Excel drop-down list: save time, save cost, increase work efficiency. Now I will create Excel drop-down list. Show an example. Here are two Excel worksheet. One is project worksheet and other is product receive worksheet. In project worksheet, I will entry project name which will work in product receive database for drop-down list. This is product receive database. Here, in name of project column, I will create drop-down from project worksheet. Select entire column of name of project of product receive database. Click Data tab. Click Data Validation. Again click Data Validation. From Allow, select List. Click on Source. Click Project Worksheet. Select Name of Project column. Click OK. Click Required cell. Select Name of Project Data. By this process, you can create drop-down considering of your another required column.